This is a NeuroTracker tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to start an interactive session using the Microsoft Kinect for Windows. From the home screen, click on the Core button. Select a group, select a user, select a mode. In this case, you should choose Move or Reach. Keep in mind, interactive modes are locked until users complete 15 sessions. If you're satisfied with what you've selected, click Calibrate, which has temporarily replaced the usual Run session. You'll see a camera window showing the Kinect's view of the room. The Kinect automatically recognizes human forms, so it will detect your body and anyone else's who is standing nearby. First, make sure the Kinect recognizes you as the primary person. The primary person is light blue and has a numeral 1 by their virtual skeleton. Next, extend your arms to the side. This will help the Kinect discover your head, chest, elbows, and hips. When you can see your own virtual skeleton, you can click Run Session. Do not close the window showing the Kinect's eye view. It will run in the background. At this point, the user should be standing directly in front of the screen wearing the 3D glasses. Here, you're seeing the NeuroTracker Reach session. Reach uses the NeuroTracker learning system to combine complex motor skills with the cognitive demands of NeuroTracker. In Reach, you perform a core session with an extra challenge. During each trial, a beam will fly toward your left or right side. If the beam comes to your left, reach out with your left hand and touch it. If it comes to the right, reach out with your right hand. You'll hear audio cues to tell you whether you were successful. NeuroTracker keeps a running tally of your reach score on screen. A word to the wise, don't get so focused on reaching that you forget to track your NeuroTracker targets. Now you'll see the NeuroTracker Move session. Move is another interactive session. It uses the NeuroTracker learning system to combine complex motor skills with the cognitive demands of NeuroTracker. In Move, you perform a core session with a different extra challenge. During each trial, a beam will fly across the floor toward your left or right side. If the beam comes to your left, move right to avoid it. If it comes to your right, move left. You will hear audio cues to tell you whether you got out of the way in time. NeuroTracker keeps a running tally of your move score on screen. Again, don't get so focused on moving that you forget to track your NeuroTracker targets. At the end of each interactive session, you'll see the user's recent core sessions on a graph. All interactive sessions are tagged with the appropriate session type. For even more in-depth analysis, you can use the Export Results function to see the user's plus skill rating for each session. The plus skill rating uses a proprietary algorithm to evaluate your performance trial by trial, taking into account the speed, how many targets you got correct, and how you performed on the interactive task.